Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another video. So today I will show you a presentation which is from Jaipur. So let's start. So friends, at first I will say before that I say that those who are new to my channel will subscribe it and hit the bell icon, and if you like this video so click the like button and share it your friends. At first I open my PowerPoint, then I open my presentation. So let's see it. This is my presentation. I will play this function F5. So Pink City of Jaipur presentation by Sundar Saha, nickname Pink City वगैरह वगैरह एक्सेट्रा, हिस्ट्री, जियोग्राफी, क्लाइमेट, टूरिज्म, कल्चरल, रेल, रोड, एजुकेशन. So this is a presentation made by me, and tada.